Since its founding, Canon has continuously adapted to suit changing times. As technological revolutions radically transform societies, Canon is also evolving too, bringing new possibilities to people and society. Canon's imaging technology has a long history of supporting the ways we communicate, preserving and sharing unforgettable experiences, making work convenient and efficient, to make it easy for everyone to add color to their daily lives. And now, looking to the future, we are reorganizing our company into 4 industry-oriented groups and plan to create new value as we expand our business. Today, there's an ever-growing diversity of lifestyles and work styles. Canon is creating environments that enable users to quickly and securely print content wherever they are. Digital commercial printing enables production of small-lot, high-variety documents that are visually diverse at low cost. Individualized content can be printed for each copy. As customers' demand grow, we will quickly and flexibly adapt to meet those needs. Canon's imaging technologies have driven the development of the photography and video sector. Now, these key technologies are helping us expand into the digital society at large and create new value. With growing concern about security worldwide, our network cameras are finding favor in new markets, not just for security and disaster prevention, but also for marketing and other applications. As aging and infectious diseases become major global issues, medical needs continue to grow. Canon's CT and MRI equipment ensures top-quality images with less radiation dosages and shorter scan times, reducing stress for patients. Modern life would be impossible without semiconductors. As we develop everything from vital semiconductor lithography equipment to OLED display manufacturing equipment with their stunning visual performance, creating ever more advanced digital technology is Canon's goal. Our nano-imprint semiconductor lithography uses a simple process that makes possible reduced circuit line width, while also greatly reducing running costs and power consumption. Through products like these, Canon is creating new value. Cutting-edge Canon R&D is creating competitive products. In addition to such imaging technologies as optical systems and image processing, Canon is innovating in the fields of fine chemicals. We continue to innovate in more and more fields. Canon is also promoting open innovation with leading research institutes around the world to create cutting-edge technologies. Canon's art of manufacturing is what makes it a trusted brand. Canon is developing a production system integrating design, procurement, industrial, and manufacturing technologies. In Japan, we're pursuing further automation and in-house manufacturing in order to expand production and boost cost competitiveness. Canon nurtures its craftspersons. Canon Takumi achieve micrometer-level precision, while Meisters possess advanced assembly skills and knowledge. By passing along skills and leveraging technology, Canon continues to pursue product quality and high-level manufacturing. Canon's sales network is expanding globally to deliver Canon products and services to customers around the world. Canon provides a wide range of solutions that are designed with customers in mind and are tailored to their needs. Canon actively carries out sustainability activities based on corporate philosophy of Kyosei, meaning living and working together for the common good. For over a quarter century, Canon has been recycling used toner cartridges from its laser printers. Canon products are designed to facilitate recycling, reducing their impact on the environment. As part of its corporate social responsibility, Canon is also expanding its biodiversity programs around the world. To protect valuable cultural assets, Canon produces high-resolution facsimiles of valuable cultural assets for public display, using its advanced technologies. Canon also continues to provide such wide-ranging cultural support activities as photography classes. Throughout its more than 80-year history, Canon has continuously pursued new challenges. Today, this pursuit has even led the company into space. Canon is respected around the world as a global company and will continue to evolve and play a valuable role in our customers' lives.